Robot overlords coming soon to an office near you. Picture this. You stroll into work on Monday morning, but instead of your usual human boss, there's a sleek, futuristic robot sitting at the head of your team meeting. Sound like a scene from Terminator? Maybe not for long. The rise of artificial intelligence is raising eyebrows and prompting some serious questions about the future of work. Could a robot really replace your boss someday? It's a question that seems ripped straight from science fiction, but the reality is that AI is already making its presence felt in the workplace. From automating tasks to crunching data at lightning speed, AI is transforming how we work. But as AI becomes more sophisticated, it's only natural to wonder, could our robot colleagues one day be calling the shots? Buckle up, folks, because we're diving headfirst into the wild world of AI bosses to see if they're a dream come true or a recipe for workplace disaster. Get ready to explore the pros, the cons, and everything in between as we try to answer the burning question, AI boss or human boss? Imagine a world where your boss never takes a sick day, never needs a coffee break, and can process vast amounts of information in seconds. This is the promise of AI in leadership roles. With their ability to analyze data and make decisions based on patterns and algorithms, AI bosses could potentially lead to more efficient and effective workplaces. However, the integration of AI into leadership roles isn't without its challenges. There are concerns about the loss of human touch, empathy, and the ability to understand nuanced situations that a human boss might handle better. Can an AI truly understand the complexities of human emotions and relationships? Can it inspire and motivate a team the way a human leader can? These are critical questions that need to be addressed as we move forward with AI integration in the workplace. Perhaps the future isn't about choosing between an AI boss or a human boss, but finding a way for both to coexist and complement each other's strengths. In this hybrid model, AI could handle data-driven tasks and decision-making processes, while human leaders focus on interpersonal relationships and team dynamics. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to prepare ourselves for the changes ahead. Embracing AI doesn't mean losing our humanity. It means enhancing our capabilities and redefining the way we work. So, are you ready to welcome your new robot boss? Or perhaps a partnership that brings out the best in both human and artificial intelligence? The future of work is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Data-driven decisions, AI's efficiency edge. Let's be honest, humans are messy creatures. We thrive in chaos, but that chaos often leads to inefficiencies and mistakes. We're ruled by emotions, prone to biases, and sometimes we just make bad decisions. Looking at you, guy who brought tuna salad to the office potluck. These human quirks can be charming, but they can also be costly in a business environment. Enter AI, the cool, calm, and collected robot in the corner, ready to make decisions based on pure, unadulterated data. Unlike us, AI doesn't get tired, stressed, or distracted. AI excels at processing massive amounts of information and spotting patterns that humans might miss. It can sift through terabytes of data in seconds, identifying trends and correlations that would take a human team weeks or even months to uncover. This makes them whizzes at tasks like optimizing workflows, predicting market trends, and identifying potential problems before they even arise. Imagine having a tool that can foresee issues and suggest solutions before they become critical. Imagine a boss who could analyze sales data, employee performance reviews, and customer feedback in the blink of an eye, and then use that information to make informed, data-driven decisions. This kind of efficiency can transform a business, making it more agile and responsive to market changes. That's the power of AI. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about turning data into actionable insights that drive success. But it's not just about efficiency. AI can also help streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve overall productivity. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up human employees to focus on more strategic, creative work. AI decision-making can also be remarkably unbiased. In a world where unconscious biases can influence hiring, promotions, and even daily interactions, AI offers a level playing field. Free from the pesky influence of emotions or personal prejudices, AI can evaluate situations objectively and make decisions based solely on the facts. This objectivity can lead to more fair and equitable outcomes in the workplace. This could lead to a fairer, more equitable workplace where promotions are based on merit and everyone has an equal shot at success. Unless, of course, you're competing against a robot for that promotion, in which case, good luck with that. But even then, AI can be a valuable ally, helping you to improve your performance and achieve your goals. In the end, AI is not here to replace us, but to augment our capabilities. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI, we can create a more efficient, innovative and fair workplace. The future of work is not man versus machine, but man and machine working together to achieve greater heights. The empathy factor: can robots relate? Okay, so AI might be great at crunching numbers and making cold, hard decisions, but what about the human touch? You know, that whole empathy thing that humans are supposedly good at? This is where things get a little trickier for our AI overlords. Empathy is all about understanding and sharing the feelings of others. It's what allows us to connect with our colleagues, build trust, and create a positive work environment. And let's just say that AI hasn't quite mastered the art of emotional intelligence. While AI can recognize and respond to certain emotional cues, it can't truly understand or share those feelings. Imagine going to your robot boss to ask for a mental health day, only to be met with a blank stare and a robotic voice saying, "I'm sorry, I don't understand the concept of feeling stressed. Please refer to the company handbook for the appropriate leave request protocol." Not exactly the warm and fuzzy response you were really hoping for. Job security jitters. Will AI take over? Let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say the robot in the cubicle: job security. The rise of AI has sparked understandable anxiety about the future of work and whether robots are coming for our jobs. This concern isn't new. Every technological revolution has brought with it fears of job displacement. And look, no one's saying that AI won't automate certain tasks and potentially displace some jobs. Historically, we've seen machines take over repetitive and manual tasks, and AI is the next step in this evolution. That's just the nature of technological advancement. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, technology has always reshaped the job market. But before we all start brushing up on our robot repair skills, let's take a deep breath. It's important to remember that while some jobs may be lost, new ones will also be created. While AI might excel at certain tasks, there are still many areas where humans reign supreme. AI can process data at lightning speed, but it lacks the emotional intelligence and nuanced understanding that humans bring to the table. Creativity, critical thinking, complex problem solving, and those all-important soft skills that make us human are all areas where AI still has a long way to go. These skills are not easily replicated by algorithms or machines. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, perhaps we should consider it an opportunity. AI can handle the mundane, freeing us to innovate and explore new frontiers. By automating repetitive or mundane tasks, AI can free up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. Imagine a world where we spend less time on paperwork and more time on creative pursuits. It's all about embracing the potential of AI while also recognizing the enduring value of human skills and ingenuity. The future of work is not about humans versus machines, but about humans and machines working together. In sectors like healthcare, education, and even entertainment, AI can be a powerful tool to enhance human capabilities. Doctors can use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately. Teachers can personalize learning experiences, and artists can create new forms of digital art. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As we integrate AI into various aspects of our lives, ethical considerations and responsible use become paramount. We must ensure that AI is used to benefit society as a whole. So, will AI take over? The answer is nuanced. AI will undoubtedly change the landscape of work, but it won't render human workers obsolete. Instead, it will redefine roles and create new opportunities for those willing to adapt and learn. The key is to embrace this change, focus on continuous learning, and find ways to collaborate with AI. Together we can build a future where technology enhances human potential rather than diminishes it. So, let's not fear the robot in the cubicle. Instead, let's welcome it as a partner in our journey towards a more innovative and fulfilling future.